Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble font. First, let's explore online generators. These tools are fantastic for quick, easy bubble text without needing any special software. Simply type your desired text, and the generator will instantly convert it into a fun, bubbly style. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to add a playful touch to their messages or designs. We'll cover a few popular options. Many websites offer free bubble font generators. Just type your text into the input box, and the site will convert it. Then, simply copy and paste the new bubble text wherever you need it. For a more hands-on approach, you can also create a basic bubble effect in word processors. Try using a thick outline and a light fill color to mimic the look. Experiment with different font styles to find what works best. For truly unique bubble fonts, graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape offers extensive control. You can draw your own letters, then apply various effects such as thick strokes and rounded corners to achieve that puffy, bubble look. Playing with gradients for the fill and adding subtle shadows can give your bubble text a three-dimensional quality. This method allows for maximum creativity and precision in your designs. When using bubble fonts, consider combining different styles or weights to add visual interest to your projects. Always prioritize readability, especially if your text will be viewed at smaller sizes or on various screens. Remember, the goal is to enhance your message, not obscure it. For more tips and resources, check the description below for links to generators, design tutorials, and other deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.